Phrasography, Part 35. In any affair, in any case, in any instance, in any position, in any respect, in any situation, in any station, in any way, in appearance, in as far, in behalf, in charge, in circumstances, in comparison with that, in conclusion, in conformity with, in connection with their, in contempt, in course of, in effect, in every way, in favor, in him, in his account, in his behalf, in his case, in his day, in his face, in his hands, in his interest, in his opinion, in his own case, in his own interest, in his own way, in his own words, in his purpose, in his regard, in his situation, in his station, in his time, in it, in its own, in its place, in judgment, in many cases, in me, in mine, in more.